Take command of the road in the 2019 Toyota RAV4. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, favoring both performance and efficiency. Top features include a split folding rear seat, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.